Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. This package is a DIY watch club kit. You have the assembly pieces for the watch and then also the watch kit. I will mark this as a paid promotion. I'm pretty sure I get to keep all this. I don't think I'm sending it back or anything, so I'll mark this a paid promotion. Also, this will have a custom rotor option on here, so I'll show that to you in a moment. I'll pause the video and get most of this opened up, and then I'll start it back up when I pull this out. So I'll go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be right back. All right, I think I got enough of it untaped that I can just pull it out of here now. So there's a portion of it. Sorry about all the noise. Hopefully that wasn't too loud with my microphone here. All right, I think I got everything out. So let's open up this first. I think this is the toolkit. I'm really looking forward to this. I think it'd be fun. I'm thinking it will be fun. I hope it's fun. I am a little worried about messing something up though. But just take my time, and I will try to record in another video the assembly process. I've never done this before. I haven't really even done any mod watches on my own, so I don't know, it'll be interesting. So we'll just look at what's in this kit here, and then we'll go over to the watch over here. Alright, so looks like some screwdrivers. This must be for setting the hands, I think. This one is. Tweezers, little stick for moving the parts around. Blower. It looks like the watch strap is in here. Leave that there. So it looks like some finger, not really gloves, but whatever, finger protectors. I think that's also for putting the handset on. You put this underneath, put it on top of the dial, but underneath the hand stack, so when you put them on, you're not messing up the dial. Rodico, something like that. That's for taking dust off the dial. I guess I do know a little bit about this. I've watched quite a few videos of, mods and other stuff like that. So I have no idea what that is. Oh, I think this might be for putting a loop on your face, perhaps, maybe. I don't know. I have a visor. I have a magnifying visor I'm planning on using. So let's open this up. Now, they offered a custom movement, and let's see how that looks. If I'm going to wear those little finger protectors, if I'll just wear some straight-on gloves. So I've never actually seen a movement in person like this, so that's neat. Seen them on video. So this is a Seiko NH35. I thought I saw that on here. Oh, there it is. Seiko NH35 movement. The rotor's hidden. Let's see if we can show. Maybe I didn't get the custom rotor then. Interesting. Anyway, maybe there's another one in here somewhere, but I was supposed to get a custom rotor. Not a big deal, I guess. I'll just throw that off to the side. I don't want you to suffer through me sticking these back into everything here. So, diver hands, BG W9 Super Loom. Inside a little package here. And I guess we'll go, yeah, whatever. Let me just show you guys this. It's gonna be a long unboxing video, I guess. So there's the handset there. Should be inside our wrapper, right? Let's give you multiples. There's the hour hand, minute, 2-minute hands, and 2-second hands there. All right, so let me get this back in here. There we go. Throw that over there. So there's the case. It should be case and crystal. It looks like the bezel, everything is all already put together for you, so that's nice. You don't need a crystal press. Trying to do this gently, but also fast at the same time. Probably not a good combination. Yeah, so it's all put together. Not necessarily airtight or watertight yet, but it should be somewhat dust tight. Then you have the crown and stem in there too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Should have sapphire crystal. You can choose either sapphire or mineral crystal. Well, it comes with mineral crystal, and then you can upgrade the sapphire. I think it's about another $20 to $30 or so. All right, there is the case with the bezel and the crystal. I believe that's ceramic bezel insert. See, is this going to be the dial? Yes, very nice. So I could pick, geez, there's probably 20 different diver variations, I guess. And they have some skeleton dial options. There are quite a few different watch options. But I chose this one because of the custom rotor. But it looks like I might not have gotten the custom rotor. All right, so let's see how this dial looks. Yeah, very nice. On their website, this dial looks amazing in the picture. Probably don't want to touch that. So I guess we'll just show you like this for now. Yeah, I don't want to do that. There's a preview of it, I guess. Yeah, that is a cool looking dial. Look at that. Almost looks like it has a lacquer coating over it or something. It looks pretty cool. So looking forward to getting this all assembled in the watch and everything. So try not to get my fingerprints on anything. I know at least that much. Oop, messed that up. Got to put it back in this little cardboard thing. Come on. There we go. So there's the handset, the dial, the movement, and the crystal. So that should be all of the parts. So I wonder what's in that other box over there. All right, let me just stick this stuff back in here. Cool kit here. Whatever. I'll put all this stuff off to the side. Don't make you guys suffer through me putting everything back together. What's in here? Oh, a case bag tool. Looks like a loop. Yep, there's a loop in there. Oh yeah, that's the blower. Forgot about that. Oh yeah, already looked in there too. Okay, so let's just close this up. Set it to the side somewhere. Then let's take a look at what's in here. That knife isn't very good. All right, don't know. I guess we'll just open it up. Okay, looks to be a screwdriver. It's a pretty thick tip, so I'm not sure what that's for. All right. These are mystery boxes. Doesn't say what's in here, so I guess we'll just have to find out. Oh, okay. So I guess that's the custom rotor. Ah, so that screwdriver, that's probably to take the rotor off then. I guess that makes sense. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Yep, that would be it. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. Wrong time watch engraved on the rotor there, and it looks to be a little more decorated of a rotor than what was in the watch kit there. All right, so that's cool. So that explains where the custom rotor is, and I guess we will be, well, I will be changing out the rotor. So, okay, cool. Very nice. That explains that. Just ripped the package. I'm sure I'll be getting I'm sure I'll be getting fingerprints all over this watch. Oh, shoot. I messed that up. This needs to go into the cardboard. Little envelope here. Yeah, I'm going to try and video all this. I don't know. It's a lot more complicated than just changing out a strap, but no, maybe not. But hey, if I can do it, anyone can do it. Yeah, this might be my longest unboxing video. Okay, we're getting the last package here, and then we'll close it out. No idea what's in here. Well, hey, you know, this is like a big unboxing, and then I have all these other little unboxings, boxes to unbox. I'm assuming, oh, this is, okay. So this would be to put the movement on to then remove the rotor, is what I'm assuming. I have seen a few videos of folks doing mods and you know, restorations, that sort of stuff. So some of these tools look familiar to me. I'm assuming this is a movement holder. So anyway, I'm trying not to touch too much of this stuff. So, all right, very cool. Yeah, that's everything. So thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. And I'm going to try and I'm trying to think when I'm going to get to doing this watch. It'll be a little while, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. So that will conclude this super long unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.